welcome to our channel. Today we are discuss about how to create a professional PPT in pre. You are still pending hours creating college presentation. Let me show you how to create a professional PPT in just a few minutes using AI completely free. First you have to open Chrome and search it Gamma. Search it Gamma. One, it will be show like this. It is the official website of Gamma. Click on this. Once you inside the Gamma, you have to click Start for free. Then you have to sign up or continue with Google to log in. Once you after the login, shown like this, you have to choose anyone for education, for work or for personal use. You have to choose for educational, student, and something is undergraduate. AI tools, something you choose. Okay, then it will be shown like this. You have to generate option. Click on generate option. Then describe it. Which PPT you want. In small lines you have to describe that matters. For example, create a professional 8-slide presentation on artificial intelligence in education. I choose one topic, artificial intelligence in education. Okay, in simple words I have to create presentation for. Who is this presentation for? School and district leaders or teachers or educators? Something you choose. Once you complete the login, you have to see like this. You have to go to home section and click on create new. Would you like, there are 4 options are there. Which one you want, that will be, you have to click on generate. You have to describe your idea, like which one you want to present, which PPT you want, that you have to type it. For example, create a professional PPT on artificial intelligence in education. education, and with how many slides you want, that also you have to type it. Professional PPT, professional PPT, 5 slides. For example, I choose 5 slides. Send to agent. Then agent will ask some questions. School or university leaders, teachers and educators. Which one you choose, that is your choice. Next, continue. In setting options, some themes are available. Which one you want? You have to choose that one. I want this. Yeah, images also there, and art styles also there. Many options are there. You have to choose some. Which one you want? That you have to choose. And generate. It will take time to generate. Let's see. Your professional PPT is also start to generate. It looks like a professional. It will take time to generate. Now Gamma will automatically create the presentation structure, content and design. This saves a lot of time compared to creating every slide manually. Already 3 slides are completed. Remaining 2 are there. Creating slides 5. Creating slide 6. Yes. Your slide will be completed. Then after generate this, you have to click on share option. You have to export it. Many options are there. Export to PDF, export to PowerPoint, export to Google Slides. You have to choose PowerPoint or Google Slides. It will automatically download options also there. Yes, your PowerPoint PPT is generated. Now open the PPT. Yes, your PPT is generated. And one more thing, in watermark is there, right? It will be easy to remove. You have to come to home section, layout options, click on layout option, choose default. It will be easy to remove. Same to all slides, default. Come to next slide, go to home section and layout, default. Select all, it will be default. Layout, depart. It will be easy to remove all watermarks. It will be looks like a really professional PPT. You have to add background colors also is there. And here is the final presentation. It has a proper structure, clean design and visuals, so we don't have to start from a completely blank slide. But don't just use the AI generated content directly. Go through every slide, correct the information, add your own points, and customize the design according to your topic. You can also add your name, college, department images in starting page. Once everything looks good, you can present it directly or export it depending on the options available in your Gamma account. So if you are in college student and you need to create a presentation quickly, Gamma is definitely worth trying. Just remember to review and personalize the AI generated content before submitting it. For more useful AI tools and student tips, subscribe Namma Study World channel.